Let's start. The Wednesday watch list whittled down. So I will go through a list of stocks. After each one, you let me know on text whether it's one for the watch list or one to ignore. One other thing. Here's the twist in the tail. I bought one of these at 4:05 today. Okay, let's get into it. Light science tech, so similar, not really similar, but sort of similar in a non-similar kind of way. Ranked 106 on the MicroCap League. They own companies in three important and growing market sectors: contract electronics manufacturing, controlled environment agriculture, passive fire protection, and our companies share many synergies and focus on providing solutions to some of today's key global issues, including food security, dependable supply chains, and fire protection. Yeah, you've got to protect things fire. Unless you're cooking the food. You need fire then. Okay, share price three, upside. Yeah, I couldn't see a broken note in this, and so I just put targets on what I thought. I extrapolated. In fact, I created a new bit of spreadsheet to work out the costs and just based the revenue growth and took up the costs, and I didn't see much upside. Market cap, it was Tiddler, ended by 9, so they're small and they've got a bit of debt. So cash, less than a mil. Now they're literally they are. Well, look at that. You can see here. Now you have to understand that for your results, where are we? This was November, so December, January, February, March, April, May, 6 months after that. So they're carrying on a current cash burn. Of course, half that cash is gone because that was to November, the end of November. So you remember that. Operating cash flow 175. So the growth's good here, but they said they are making price to book 3, but the value isn't compelling. Price of sales is fine. I said health is a little bit. I said health can hold you back if you've got no cash. Gross margin is 23. Margin's quite low here, but they're in a bit nearly an uptrend. Let's look at what the forecasts going forward are. Oh yeah, no, there weren't any. I couldn't find a broker note, so I've got 10%. I've given the benefit of the doubt 10% over many years, and towards the end of I've got 2025, the same kind of costs from 2023 at that growth, and they'd be profitable pretty much this year at an EBITDA level or operating level, but 70 grand up to a million, up to 2.2 in 2026. Uh, so there's a little bit of upside here. I can see it on the thing. Well, I should put that in then. I haven't ended upside here, but I'll have to. This is going to be sorted out tomorrow. Let's bottom this website. But let's look at the charts on Eden, not Eden, on LST. Oh, what's your thoughts? It IPO'd in the bull market where money was easy, money was free flowing, everyone was taking risks, and no one really cared, you know, and just it paid £1 million for ape NFTs. That's the way the market was. People are spending millions on pictures of gorillas as NFTs, and so that's why everyone was keen on risk and didn't just focus on reward. Didn't worry about the risk too much. So yeah, it's gone up there. It's gone up to 32 pence, down at 2.7 pence. And maybe this is the low here. It's broken up, but you can see it needs to, if you draw a line here, it only needs to convincingly get above 3.5, pretty much. And that's the gap as well here, pretty much. Will it do it? I don't know. I don't know if they've raised money since. I don't see that. But let's have a look if they have raised money since. But seems like they need, anyway, they'll say it in their post final results. This is today. Uh, right, so that's not the post period. No, they haven't raised any. They've got some 180 grand from DEFRA, some grants, all that stuff. Um, recently agreed terms with Close Brothers for updated debt facilities, providing group-wide financing underpinned by additional 850,000. Yeah. Mm. So, looks like they may need some cash there. So anyway, what's your thoughts on light sciences? Any thoughts? No. Too liquid, Alan. Edmund, LSD, no. Graham, no. Harish, definite no. Brian, LST, no. Mark, LST, no. Simon, no. Uh, Tim, Fox kiss of death today, no. LST, no. LST, no. AB, Mark, it's a no, isn't it? It looks like there's a no there. Yeah. Some I do suggest some of these companies, list your name. You can see why another one delisted today, didn't it? Oxford Cannabinoids, high cash burn by burning company. This is not this is these kind of companies get found out. So I just think scale. It costs you 300 to 500,000 pounds in a cost to list, associated cost to be a listed company. And I'm saying, if you're loss making, that's a heck of a burn, especially if you can't raise money. I mean, there's the gravitas that comes with being a listed company, but if you can't run the company with those costs, then there's no point saying, "Well, we're listed," even though we're skint.